Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Raman English World. In today's video, I'm going to share with you that how to create good environment for English speaking English. So before starting the topic, let's have a beautiful शायरी. वास्ता तुमसे था जो फसाने बदल गए, क्या तेरे रूठने से जमाने बदल गए, दिल से मेरे निकल के तुम गैरों के दिल में हो, मैंने सुना है कि तेरे ठिकाने बदल गए. Yeah, so let's start with the topic that how to create an environment for speaking English. You know, good environment of English is very necessary to speak English. If you can't create a good environment of English, then you just can't be able to speak English fast. You know, so you have to follow some tips if you want to improve your English fast. And so let's start with the tip number 1. And tip number 1 is very simple. Complete some chapters of grammar. I have already mentioned that if you want to speak English, then you can't ignore grammars. Some chapters of grammar you will have to complete, you will have to practice. Yeah, well, only then you will be able to speak English. And which chapters of grammar you require, you need to complete, you need to practice, I have already mentioned it in a separate video, so you can watch that. And second one is listen 1 or 2 English story every day. You can listen on YouTube or some other social media sites, but it is very important and it will play important role to enhance your listening power, your English understanding power, and by all means listening story will help you, no doubt. Now tip number 3. And tip number 3 is take 1 or 2 topic every day and try to speak on that particular topic as much as you can. In a starting period, you will find difficulties to speak on that particular topic, but with the time you will see that with the time you will start speaking on any topic. You can have, it's a winter season, summer season, you know, you can have games topic, you can have games or cricket, yeah, you can have Indian governments, yeah, or which state you are, state government, or books, importance of exercise, importance of good health, and importance of good food, and all these topics you can have, and daily 1 or 2 topics you have to cover. In starting, if you are unable to speak on that topic, then you write an essay on that particular topic, and with the time you will see that you will be able to speak on that particular topic very well, you know. Now fourth one is read English newspaper and English book as well. You can have English newspaper online as well, and as far as book is concerned, then you can have English books from Flipkart, Amazon, or some other platform. When you will read newspaper and books, then when you study, if you not able to understand the sentence, even then you have not to be disappointed. You have to continue studying that, you have to continue reading that, and you will find that continuously if you read the book, the story, you know, a couple of weeks, 1 month, 2 months maximum, you will find that your English will improve and you will find fluency in your speaking English, no doubt about it. So with these 4 top tips, you can improve your English with the time. So don't be in a hurry. It takes time to speak English. If today I'm speaking or anyone is speaking, then they definitely have paid the cost of speaking English. And the cost of speaking English is practice, practice, practice. The more practice you do, the better you will become with the time. So I hope you are going to follow all the tips whatever shared by me just before. So follow all the tips and hope you will be able to speak English very fluently very soon. Have a good future. Thank you.